Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic FreeCAD 1.1 how to mirror body. So for example, you can go to parametric body and I will create sketch here in the top plane. Okay, we create for the simple sketch. And then use the pet tools to convert into 3D. So in this part design workbench, they are only have the mirror feature. So it's mean you can create like in the top face here. So I'll create a circle and then use pet tools to convert into 3D. Now the next I will create for the new plane. Okay, you can set for the position dentum plane and then you can use this mirror feature. So to be show the feature here and you can set for the reference plane, this plane and click OK. So if you want to mirror this all body, you can go to the part workbench and we can use these tools mirror. But first I will create like in this face a new dentum plane. So you can set for the position, click OK. After it, click on the mirror body and then mirror. You can choose the body here. And for the mirror planes, you can select the plane and click OK to apply. So to be mirror the body. So you can click in these models. You can see we have the body. You can right click transforms to move the body. Or you can right click in the mirror body to move the mirror. Okay, that's it for basic FreeCAD 1.1 how to mirror body.